How do you unlock iPhone 7 when it says iPhone is disabled? Connect to iTunes. How to fix iPhone is disabled. Connect to iTunes 1. Step 1. Enter recovery mode. The first step is to connect your iPhone to your computer and enter recovery mode 2. Step 2. Locate your iPhone, iPad via your Mac, PC 3. Step 3. Choose the option to restore 4. Step 4. Set up your iPhone. How do I reset my iPhone without a computer or iTunes password? Are you wondering how to reset a locked iPhone without a computer? Simply press and hold the volume buttons and home button at the same time. iPhone 10, 8 and newer. Press and hold the volume up button, then the volume down button, and the side button at the same time. You can view detail as in description. How do you unlock iPhone?